In this video, I will discuss 10 steps of happiness. Coming up. Hi, Tim with Quantum Financial, bringing you the best investments, bringing you most of your money grow and outlive your lifestyle with a focused approach. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. For the long-term investors looking for the marketplace to capture those high gains, is it worth the happiness? But often we think as everything around us. Why? Long-term investing gets influenced by the short-term passion of the stock market and abandoning the value of the investment approach to chase the emotional trends just so our emotions can run the course and then go in reverse. And getting whiplash through frequent emotion trading is a sure disaster of ruins in the end. But let's discuss the human emotions of the financial stock market, shall we? Behavior financial has been around since the 1970s, but for a long time it remains the uncertain pattern of human behavior of why so many investors choose to do things on an emotional roller coaster ride. But why we buy at this price and then turn around a week later and then sell for a massive loss because our emotional behavior has taken the best of us. Towards the end of the video, I will let you on a secret of behavior finance and how to overcome them. 10 rules of happiness. Number 1, don't associate happiness with money. People adapt to income shifts rapidly, quickly. The long benefits are essentially zero. Number 2, exercise regularly. Taking exercise generates further energy and stimulates the mind and body. Number 3, making love, preferably with somebody you love. Making love is consequently rated as among the highest of happiness in your life. What are you waiting for? Number 4, devote time and effort to close relationships. Close relationships require work and effort, but pay off in terms of rewards of long-term happiness. Number 5, pause for reflection, meditate on the good things in life. A simple reflection on the good aspects of life helps prevent hedonic and adaptation. Number 6, seek work that engages your skills. Look to enjoy your job. It makes sense to do things you enjoy. This in turn will allow you to flourish at your job. Create pleasant feedback. Number 7, give your body the sleep it needs. Number 8, don't pursue happiness for its own sake. Enjoy the moment. Faulty perception of what makes you happy many lead to the wrong pursuit. Activities may become a meaning to the end rather than something to enjoy, defeating the purpose of enjoying life. Number 9, take control of your life. Set yourself achievable goals. Number 10, remember to follow all the rules. I believe these would be worth it for each and every one of us if we spend some time over the weekend pondering on these 10 rules of happiness. I currently don't follow all these rules, but I hope to someday achieve all of them. How many of the 10 steps did you achieve? Do you think there is more for you to do? Like I mentioned, I was going to give you a secret of behavior financial and how to overcome them. One of the strongest behavior financial is a man named James Montier, author of many books on this very subject. The latest book was Little Book of Behavior Investing. How Not to Be Your Own Worst Enemy is another book. Below, I will list the descriptions of where to get them. Please leave a smash like button of your thoughts of this video today. Thank you very much for watching my video. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you all later.